Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. The income tax return is very important, and today we will tell you how you can access web income services without needing to have a digital certificate. So, for this example, our interested party has already submitted an income tax return in previous year. Therefore, to carry out to this process, we must have his income tax return from previous years, his identity document, and his support number. So, the first step is to enter to the tax agency page or Agencia Tributaria's page, and a box appears that says Income Tax Campaign 2022. So, Campaña de Renta 2022, that's the same one. And we click on the box that says Access to the tax return o accede a la campaña de renta. So then we must look for the option Get Your Reference Number, and later we must enter our DNI or NIE number, and later we will have another box where we must put the support number. Once we check on this, another box is automatically displayed where we must enter the support number. If you don't know what the support number is and where you can find it, you can use the help that the page offers depending on the type of document that you need. It tells you where you can find this support number on the document that you already have. So it gives you three options. If you have foreigner's card, if you have this, the information is displayed and tells us where the support number is, informs that the support number must have 9 positions, letter E, and 8 number characters, and that if the card has less than 8 characters, zeros must be entered after the letter E. Likewise, it tells us if you have a residence card and if you have a CUE in which it begins with the letter C and 8 numerical characters. So there you can see that the three options are displayed, and it gives you like the example of the physical card that you can review and check to see if you have the support number and enter it where they are requesting it. So in this way, we know the support number and we enter the data that they are requiring for us. Once we have checked this data, we will put it in the box that it was up there. And then this will take us into a new page with several options. We will see them later. We just put our data there and click on continue. And then we will obtain the reference with box 505, that it's the third option that we can see there. It is important to clarify and explain the procedure if it's a person who has never submitted income in previous years. In this part, another option will appear, an additional box to register an IBAN code. That is the code of a bank account that it must be in the name of the interested party. The person on the account must be the owner, and there you might have to put the last 5 digits of the IBAN code and click on Obtain Reference, and then the reference number will appear to access the web rental. Remember that this is only going to happen if you have never presented the income tax return declaration. So if you have, you are going to keep on this procedure as we are doing it. So for the case we have today, we will only enter the value returned by box 505 and we will obtain the reference number. After completing this step, a screen will appear with information like this, in which it tells us that we can now use the reference obtained to access the rental services. It also informs us the code to manage income, and it indicates that the reference number be noted and kept for later procedures. My recommendation is to take a screenshot or write down this message, since this code is only generated once and is the one you can use for all services related to income, or failing that, to file the income tax return. So I hope this tutorial has been of great help for you.
For more information, remember to check our website and follow us on our social media platforms. You'll find the link in the description box below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with expert guidance on streamlining your paperwork, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel.